In this part, we'll be discussing about the endosperm of the netum, development of the endosperm. We all know that the endosperm is nothing but a nutritive tissue which is going to provide a nourishment in order to support the development of the further embryo. Comparing the things with the angiosperm, we know that in angiosperm, endosperm development takes place after fertilization. And the endosperm is triploid in nature, whereas in case of gymnosperm, endosperm development takes place before fertilization and it is haploid in nature. So this is the case in case of gymnosperm and this is the angiosperm. But what happens in case of netum? As we all know, netum is a connecting link between the angio and the gymnosperm. So obviously it is going to show some of the special character, peculiar character. That is, in gymnosperm, endosperms are cellular. Cellular in the sense it will be like a nucleus. Surrounding the nucleus we have the formation of the cell wall. So it will be cellular. So in gymnosperm, endosperms are cellular and haploid in nature and are formed before fertilization. However, in case of netum, the development of the embryos, endosperm, starts before fertilization. Here, it is going to start before fertilization from the lower part and it is going to proceed upwards, and this process is very slow, very slow. It is going to start from this lower and it is going to proceed upwards very slowly before fertilization. Now what changes occurs after fertilization is this image, this one. After fertilization, the wall formation starts in such a way that the cytoplasm, here the cytoplasm is going to divide into a many multinucleate chambers. So these are what? There is a cytoplasm, wall formation, cytoplasm inside we have what? Not only one nucleus, many nucleus are there. So this is a multinucleate condition. Later these multinuclei, they are going to fuse and form what is called as an polyploidy nuclei. Polyploidy is nothing but many nuclei are going to fuse and form one structure, that will be a polyploidy nuclei. In this stage, the lower part of the gametophyte becomes cellular. Lower part, it becomes cellular, that is cell wall formation occurs, whereas the upper part remains a free nuclei. All these are free nuclei. Thus, the development of the endosperm takes place even after fertilization in case of netum. So the things are clear now. Before fertilization, development of the cell wall takes place, but it will be very slow. But after fertilization, what happens? The multinucleate stage arises. This multinucleate stage, later it going to form a polyploidy condition. So this was a description regarding the endosperm in case of netum. Thank you.